Hey everyone, happy April and welcome back to Mental Pick. So for today, we got a total of 33 leads, 31 coming from Amazon OA and then 2 coming from our Amazon RA. So let's check some of the deals that we got. And as for sample, let's check the deals from Look Fantastic. Starting off with this MAC blush powder that you could earn a profit of 17.19 with an ROI of 78%. This Benefit Benetint deal profit of 11.53 with an ROI of 45%. This Benefit Gimme Brown mini size profit of 6.36 with 55% ROI. This Benefit Industrial Concealer with profit of 6.53 with 33% ROI. And lastly, this NARS Concealer Pot with profit of 7.08 with 32% ROI. There you go, guys. 7 deals for our Look Fantastic website. And here are the rest of the websites that you should check. There you go, guys. If you're interested to earn free extra money, check this one out. Review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. Check these channels out, guys, to know more about the details of what we offer. If you're interested about A2A flips, here are the channel that you should check. This is the updated pricing for Amazon that you could also sell to Amazon. You can see here all the latest deals and price drop from Amazon. Another bot operated channel that we got is this price drop monitoring, wherein you can see all the latest deals and price drop from these websites. So check them out as well. And lastly, we got our general and Amazon community that you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.